very clean family film. He's a fantastic actor. He's a great dancer. Talking about Band Baja Barat along with Bittu, it has nothing to do with Band Baja Barat. आजकल ब्रांडिंग का ज़माना है ना, तो मेरी ये ब्रांडिंग है.
बिट्टू अब तो मेरी ले लेना.
झुका झुका के लेगा, उठा उठा के लेगा, वो बिट्टू सब गिलेगा बस. फोटो.
We've got a very good response, but all the people who know us are responding, so we'd assume that they would only speak good. It's the audience that they have to now decide and give us the verdict. All I can tell you is it's about a wedding videographer, a photographer, who is based in the north, in Punjab, and it's his milieu, his journey, his love life, and his mission that he fulfills.
झुका झुका के लेगा, उठा उठा के लेगा, वो बिट्टू सब गिलेगा बस.
He's a fantastic actor. He's a great dancer because he's trained by Webby Merchant, and he has done a play with her called Taj Express. So he's an outstanding performer and a great human being, which is more important because the personality of the character and the personality of the actor are actually one.
वो गड्डी लाते रहना चाहिए, पेट्रोल पूरा भरता है.
So there were two separate zones for me to work. Kumar ji and Amita are never in the same category. Kumar ji is one very respected producer for me, who's given me the lifetime break and opportunity to make my first film. And Amita is fulfilling the the space where I needed somebody from that area, somebody from that zone, because the film is based in Punjab. I needed a typical Punjabi girl, a next door girl, and that is exactly what Amita came across as. So I think the combination of the two, the energies of the two really helped and supported the film. Entertaining family film. There is nothing which is double meaning. There is nothing which is abusive. There is no nudity in the film. It's a very, very clean film. And Censor had an issue with one of our montages, which we had in our teaser, which apparently is double meaning. However, honestly speaking, every photographer of the country, anywhere in the country, will always be addressed in the same way as Bittu Boss is addressed by his clientele in his area. So everybody does say, "Bhai meri bhi le le." So it's a very simple thing. It does not hurt anybody. It does not offend anybody. It's just a simple way that the photographer. So it's his milieu. It's his atmosphere. That is what has been depicted in the film. Actually, you could have also said Tanu Weds Manu. You could have also said many other films which are around weddings. But because the name is Bittu, that's why we are talking about Band Baja Barat along with Bittu. It has nothing to do with Band Baja Barat or any of the elements that film has. I started my career as a cameraman. I was for many years a cameraman in Delhi. I have done news, I have done documentaries, I have done assisted in feature films. I've shot second units for feature films, and then gradually I came onto television as a creative director, and I've done a lot of reality shows. And my last show was Coke Studio at MTV. Yes, I think a large part of me is Bittu. A large part of my experiences as a cameraman have been incorporated in Bittu Boss. Somebody who used to work with me is the DOP of the film, Manish Chandra Bhatt, who's done a fantastic job, also a cameraman. So it's important to say that how he has become part of the film. So yes, I think any story told, there is a lot of self, there is a lot of personal signature that comes in onto the any film that the director makes. See, the epical value of any story is what makes you switch from television to films. Even though films are gradually reducing their shelf value now, everything lands up onto a DVD. But still, there is a recall. There is a better recall in films, because in television I've done like hundreds of hours of programming. But you think about a particular episode, a particular moment, you will not be able to recall it. You will not be able to pull it out from the archives because sham ko dekha, subah nikal gaya. Right? So in film, at least there is a more longer shelf value and a recall value, and you can tell more stories and look back upon your own work and see where you are heading. So it's good for your own individual growth as well as a storyteller. आजकल ब्रांडिंग का ज़माना है ना, तो मेरी ये ब्रांडिंग है. Instead of saying कि a film by Babul, I just call it Babul की film. वैसे भी शादी के माहौल में बाबुल जो हमारे इंडियन मिलियू में बाबुल जो है बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है इस मामले में कि बेटी के लिए बाबुल का घर छोड़कर जाना या तो एक लिंक था. सो आई जस्ट सिंपली वांटेड टू मेक अ डिफरेंस एंड आई सेड बाबुल की फिल्म बोलते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग अ फिल्म बाय बाबुल. दैट्स ऑल. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आई एम वर्किंग ऑन. कहानियाँ कहनी है और फिल्में बनानी है एक के बाद एक फटाफट.